So I got this at I think it was low. Wow, I can't remember. It was like $70 or $80. But these are pretty easy to install. The new one now, they don't come with wire or anything, so that's good. So the only thing you can do is just look for a spot and drill this up. Drill it up like this. Drill up into the to wall like this. And after that, with the new one, you just turn it and it should click on it and turn on by itself. Here's the old one. I think it's really old. So I'm just gonna put it next to it. And I'm just gonna take this out next time and just fix the hole. Once it's tight, then it's good. Then so now once you tighten it, it should turn on by itself. It said push to test it, so.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And I think that's it. But you can test it again to make sure it works.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And that's it.